G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a great home, 15 Karina Court in the popular Bayside suburb of Urangan within the Marina Precinct. There is a lot to take in. Let's go and take a look around. This sound brick and tile home was built around 1994 and has been well maintained and tastefully refurbished over time. Thoughtfully positioned on a large 948 square metre allotment in a quiet court in one of Hervey Bay's most sought after suburbs of Urangan. This is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle and convenience of having key amenities all within minutes of this home, including the Urangan Marina and boat ramps, the Hervey Bay Boat Club, Urangan Central Shopping Centre, Botanic Gardens, the Esplanade, beach, cafes, restaurants and the iconic Urangan Pier. This lovely home will be ideal for those looking for a low maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels, or the first home buyer looking to purchase into an established area with solid growth potential, as well as the astute investor who knows rental vacancy rates are still as tight as we've ever seen them across Hervey Bay. The vast open plan dining and living area does form the heart of this home and includes new vinyl plank flooring, a ceiling fan and air conditioning. The kitchen has been refurbished and features a skylight, beautiful new stone bench tops, loads of storage with soft close cabinetry and a pantry. Quality appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood, a large oven and an integrated dishwasher. The covered outdoor entertaining area seamlessly connects with the open plan dining area so you can enjoy our fresco dining and Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. There is a separate lounge or media room as well where you'll be able to enjoy your favourite television series along with the latest blockbuster movies. This lovely home does include 3 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, split system air conditioning, a built-in wardrobe and a refurbished ensuite with a shower, vanity and toilet. The bathroom has again been tastefully refurbished and features a bath, shower and vanity, and you've also got a separate toilet. The laundry features stone bench tops and great linen space and offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Vehicle accommodation includes a double garage with a remote door and direct internal access into the home. This home also offers clear side access to the 7 by 6 metre double bay shed with power. You also have ample space to accommodate large caravans and boats, or you could add a pool if desired. This home is surrounded by low maintenance established gardens and raised vegetable beds. There really is nothing left to do except move in and enjoy the lifestyle that will come with living in this idyllic location. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.